Hi, this is Dr. Catherine Brown. I'm here to help you locate acupressure point gallbladder 41. Now, this point is a little bit tricky to find, so bear with me. Technically, it is in the depression distal to the junction of the fourth and fifth metatarsal bones. It's on the lateral side of the tendon of muscle extensor digiti minimi of the foot. So in layman's terms, how you find this is you go to the webbing between the little toe and the fourth toe, and you run your finger towards the ankle, and there's a valley there between two bones. And as those bones come to a junction and your finger stops, you'll feel towards the outside of the foot, you're going to jump over a tendon. And there's a tender area there. It's in a dip, and it will be very tender when you find it. I instruct my patients who suffer from headaches or migraines to apply the wood element AccuStick to this point multiple times per day. If they have a chance, I have them actually do the counterclockwise or reduction method on this point. And they also combine this point with liver 2 or liver 3 in the same manner with the wood element point. And this is great for all types of headaches. Details on using this point are located at Ageless Herbs on the acupressure directions page, and it will include different ailments and point combinations and all the diseases that this point will treat. You will also find tons of information about how to use acupressure and Chinese medicine for specific health concerns, and you can deepen your knowledge about Chinese medicine at agelessherbs.com. Thanks for watching my video. Likes are much appreciated, and please subscribe to my channel. Be well.